As we get closer to the launch of the Galaxy S25 series, the leaks are really starting to pile up. Today, let's dive into the top 5 reasons why you might want to hold off on your next upgrade and wait for the S25. First up, the design. According to the popular tipster Ice universe, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is getting even sleeker with bezels that are 0.2 millimeters thinner than the Galaxy S24 Ultras, making them even slimmer than the iPhone 16 Pro Max. We've also got leaked renders showing off that same 6.9-inch display size as Apple's latest. And not just renders, but case designs and dummy units of the S25 series too. The look has a blocky vibe, but fingers crossed it won't impact one-handed usability like the S24 Ultra did. We've also seen color leaks, and it looks like the S25 Ultra will stick with titanium-themed color options. Next, let's talk performance. Rumors about the Galaxy S25's chipset have been floating around for ages, but now it's confirmed. Samsung is launching Snapdragon 8 Elite-powered devices soon. Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite has been designed from the ground up, boasting a fastest mobile CPU claim, with peak CPU speeds of 4.32 GHz on its prime cores. Plus, we're looking at a 45% improvement in CPU and 27% in power savings over the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. With a 40% boost in GPU performance, the S25 series promises an epic gaming experience. You can watch our last video to know how it performs and beat Apple's A18 chipset. With all these hardware upgrades, One UI 7.1 on Android 15 is set to make the Galaxy S25 Ultra experience better than ever. Like we mentioned in our One UI 7 video, Samsung has confirmed that One UI 7 will launch alongside their flagship devices in 2025. Tipster Ice Universe even shared some mock-ups of how the update looks on the new flagship, giving us a sneak peek at the fresh design. This update will pack in a lot of new features, many of them exclusive to the S25 Ultra. The device could also get 7 major Android OS updates as well. Now, since we're on the topic of One UI, we've got to mention Galaxy AI. With the new chipset's 45% faster NPU, the Galaxy S25 series is going to be a powerhouse compared to previous models. This means we're getting even smarter, more interactive AI features that can actually recognize what you're seeing through the camera and help with all kinds of tasks, all processed directly on the device for better privacy. Plus, the AI is leveling up mobile photography with improvements to autofocus, auto white balance, and auto exposure, so your photos will look better than ever. When it comes to the camera, we're not just seeing software changes. There might be a bit of a design update too. The layout will feel familiar though. The camera modules look a little different, but their placement is pretty close to what we saw on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. But here's where it gets interesting. According to a reliable tipster, only the ultra-wide camera is getting an upgrade. Samsung is switching it to their ISOCELL JN3 sensor, bumping it up to 50 megapixels. The other cameras will stay the same as the S24 Ultra, but with the boost from the new chipset, we can expect some extra performance improvements. And that's it. So, the big question is, should you hold out for the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Are these upgrades worth the wait? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.